Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I, Hafiza Rabi Yasin from BS First Environmental Sciences. I presented this presentation to Dr. Abdul Salam. I am from Peer Meher Ali Shah Arid University, Rawalpindi. Today my topic of discussion is CRT projector, and the contents of my topic are CRT projector, types of CRT, CRT display, manufacturing, raw material, used in future, and many more. CRT projector. A CRT projector is a video projector that uses a small, high brightness cathode ray tube as the image generating element. The image is then focused and enlarged onto a screen using a lens kept in front of the CRT face. History. The first color CRT projector came out in the early 1950s. Most modern CRT projectors are color and have 3 separate CRTs instead of single color CRT and their own lenses to achieve color images. The red, green, and blue portion of the incoming video signal are processed and sent to the respective CRTs whose images are focused by their lenses to achieve the overall picture on the screen. Various designs have made it to production, including the direct CRT lens design and the schematic CRT, which employed a phosphor screen that illuminates a perforated spherical mirror all within an evacuated tube. Here you will see a small view of CRT projector. Types of CRT. There are 2 main types of CRT displays used in computer graphics: random scan display and the controller. Random scan display. It is used primarily to draw a sequence of line segments. In the controller, its CRT maintains a display list that consists of a sequence of line segments specified by their endpoints in screen coordinates. A CRT consists of 3 basic parts: the electron gun assembly, the phosphorus viewing surface, and the glass envelope. Here is a label diagram of CRT. You can see here the heater, cathode, control grid, focusing cathode, accelerating anode, horizontal plates, and vertical plates. And there is blue line of electron beam which can be focused on screen. CRT display. The major question: electron gun, deflection system, fluorescent screen, glass tube or envelope, or base. You can see here how the CRT works. Working of CRT. The working of CRT depends on the movement of electrons beam. The electron gun generates sharply focused electrons which are accelerated at a high voltage. This high velocity electron beam, when strikes on the fluorescent screen, creates a luminous spot. After exiting from the electron gun, the beam passes through the pairs of electrostatic deflection plate. These plates deflected the beams when the voltage applied across it. The one pair of plate moves the beam upward and the second pair of plate moves the beam from one side to another. The horizontal and vertical movement of the electron are independent of each other, and hence the electron beam positioned anywhere on the screen. The working parts of CRT are enclosed in a vacuum glass envelope so that the emitted electron can easily move freely from one end of the tube to another. You can see here. The manufacturing process of CRT. The glass envelope or its components are usually formed at a glass manufacturing facility and shipped to the cathode ray tube manufacturer, who forms the phosphor viewing screen, fabricates and assembles the electron gun, and then assembles the finished CRT. Quality control. Although the operating principle of a cathode ray tube is simple, the manufacturing process requires strict control and precise alignments. Thus, phosphor materials must be extremely pure to achieve the desired colors. Even a tiny variance in the amount of activator used can result in a significant change in color. Likewise, when you consider that a color television CRT requires the placement of over 1 million tiny dots side by side on the viewing surface, even a small error in alignment could be disastrous. Raw material. Cathode tubes use an interesting and varied assemblage of raw materials. In many cases, it is the raw material, not the design or manufacturing process, that determine the performance characteristics of the finished product. Byproduct and by recycling. The principal byproduct of CRT manufacturing is the scrap glass. Much of this glass is recycled. Recycled glass with a high content of lead oxide is used to provide radiation protection in CRT funnels and has completely replaced previous sources of lead oxide for this application. In future, the worldwide market for cathode ray tubes was estimated at nearly 400 million units in 1994 and is expected to grow at a 6% annual rate through 2000. The color television market is expected to grow at a 5% annual rate, while the color computer monitor market is expected to grow at a 20% rate. In the television market, the demand for a larger television picture tubes with higher image resolution is expected to continue. Applications of CRT in cathode ray oscilloscope, as a display device in radar, in television, in computer monitors. Here you can see a display of CRT. Advantages of CRT. Long service life. CRTs maintain good brightness to 10,000 hours. High-end CRT projector can precisely display images up to 1920 x 1200 with accurate color reproduction. A few projectors can scan at even higher resolutions up to 3200 x 2560, although their ability to resolve fine details at this resolution is greatly reduced. As with CRT monitors, the image resolution and the refresh rate are not fixed but variable within some limits. Disadvantages of CRT. CRT projectors are both considerably large and heavier. CRT projectors require far more time to set up. It is used more power to run. This is a display of CRT, cathode ray technology. And thank you very much. Hope you all are enjoying.